If you sit down to work, study, or focus on something important, then 20 minutes later you're on your phone, then this video is for you. A lot of people struggle with distractions, mental fog, and feeling scattered, especially when you want to concentrate. In this video, I'm sharing 10 crystals to help support focus, reduce distractions, and bring more mental clarity. Hi, I'm Ethan Lazzarini, and I'm the author of 4 crystal healing books, and I'm here to help you unlock the power of crystals in a way that's clear, empowering, and easy to use in your everyday life. Sometimes we just need a bit of mental clarity to get things done. When I've got something important to do and I just need to focus, I will usually wear a crystal to help me. You can also put a tumbled stone inside your pocket. Having a larger piece near you in your home, perhaps near your computer or a place that you study or work, is really helpful. Sometimes handling a stone, having maybe just a small tumble stone or something bigger, smooth like this, kind of relaxes you, helps calm your mind. And you can use any form at all, and that includes, as I said, tumble stones like this, which are ideal for putting in your pocket. You could wear a bracelet, or you could wear a pendant or necklace. A crystal point like this could be used, or a tower, which is a carved crystal point, and they focus energy through the tip of the crystal. And I find these very good for intention setting and for working on a very specific goal. Crystal spheres like this can help you focus your mind and see things more clearly. If you think about it, it looks like an eyeball. So think about it like that, representing the eye and one eye, so we're focused on one thing. And this also includes beads. Beads are spheres as well, so they actually have the powers of the sacred geometry of the sphere as well. Then we have this shape, which is one of the Platonic solids, and it's called an octahedron. So it's like 2 pyramids, 4-sided, attached together. And this represents the element of air, and shape and the element is linked to the mind. So it can be helpful for mental balance, focused, and reaching a state of calm clarity. At the end of this video, I have a quick and simple crystal healing exercise that you can do with any of the crystals featured in this video, and this will help balance your mind and help you regain focus. Fluorite is a true crystal of the mind. You can use this stone for support while doing all forms of research. Fluorite can also be used for increasing mental focus if you have something really important to do or you need to study. So any color or color combination is suitable, but I find that having a mixture of 2 colors or more really helps with balancing the left and right hemispheres of your brain. Clear quartz is one of the crystals that I think everyone should have or should be compatible with. It is not essential that your quartz be perfectly clear though, just that a good part of the crystal be transparent. So clear quartz brings mental clarity and helps you stay focused on a specific task or goal. I wrote all my books while wearing a quartz crystal point pendant. I think that Sodalite is an underrated crystal for mental clarity. It works with your 3rd eye chakra, increasing your understanding and helping you receive the needed insights. Sodalite stimulates logical thought processes and can bring you the inspiration that you need to cut through the mental fog. Before we get into the other crystals, I just want to share with you this quick tip. These crystals will work best when we put the effort into creating an environment that supports focus. Even small changes like putting your phone or your computer on quiet mode, or what I do when I write, which is I put my phone in another room. These can help you reach that state of deep focus when you need it. If you have found this video to be helpful so far, could you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crystal content? Thank you. Clear calcite was once known as Iceland's spar, and optical calcite is just another variety of clear calcite if you see that. So this crystal helps cleanse your aura and all your chakras, bringing energetic and mental clarity. Clear calcite is good for cutting through brain fog over time. Turquoise is also a lovely stone for the mind. Turquoise assists you in reducing the effects of stress and anxiety. It brings a sense of peace and calm, and all this supports you in being focused on what's important to you and also making better decisions. So turquoise allows you to see the bigger picture as well, which is really important for that clarity. Blue apatite opens and clears your third eye chakra, and the reason this comes up a lot is the third eye, even though we associate it with psychic things, is also linked to your mind and how your perception, which is why we're working with that chakra with a lot of these stones. Blue apatite supports mental focus and strengthens your mind. Apatite helps you clear confusion and to see the truth. It's great for focusing on your goals and changing negative or self-limiting thought patterns into positive, productive ones. Tiger's Eye is a great stone for study, research, and anytime you need concentration. It helps you stay focused, and when there is a lot of information for you to absorb, and Tiger's Eye works with you to filter out mental distractions, and it helps you make sense of a lot of information and use it in a practical way. I had to include Iolite here because this crystal does not get enough attention. Iolite helps you experience more mental clarity. It helps you dodge distractions and can help support you in making informed decisions in your life. So Iolite is great for forming a strategy or a plan. Working on your third eye chakra, it helps you see the bigger picture if that's what is needed. Yes, you could try working with Amethyst as well, but just full disclaimer, it can go either way for people. So Amethyst is known for clearing the mind and helping with focusing on things that are important in your life and making those changes. So it anchors dedication and commitment and helps support self-improvement. All great things, but it's also a very high vibration and very spiritual stone. So some people find it makes them feel ungrounded and even overstimulated. So if this crystal is new to you, try it in small doses first. Then there's blue Kyanite, and this crystal also brings mental clarity and the ability to see through the mind's illusions and traps. So it's very helpful if you are an overthinker, and blue Kyanite gives you peace of mind, which I think was what a lot of us are seeking, and you could find it helpful to also cut through the hold of limiting beliefs and patterns of behavior and thoughts that you need to break through. For a quick crystal healing treatment, lay down, place your cleansed chosen crystal on your third eye chakra, which is your brow area. Close your eyes and allow the crystal to do its work. As this chakra is very sensitive, I recommend you start with maybe 5 minutes and building up over time if it is comfortable for you. You won't need any more than 10 minutes to do this exercise. And if you choose amethyst, go very careful with this because that is one of the crystals that some people find very intense when placed here, and some people feel a headache. So if you get or experience any discomfort with any of the crystals using this method, remove the crystal immediately. And if you did find this method too intense for you, then just carry or wear the stone and it will work as well. If you want a guide to crystals to help you stop overthinking, then please let me know in the comments below. And if you have a bit of anxiety or a lot of stress in your life, then you might want to watch my guide to crystals for calm. And if you're new to crystal healing, or perhaps you need a bit of a refresher, then check out my playlist to my crystal videos for beginners. These should be appearing on screen now.